Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back with you today to talk about a question that I get asked a lot. Is Rocket Money a free service? Before we dive into the answer, let's take a step back and talk about what Rocket Money is. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money on your bills, find better deals on insurance, and cancel unwanted subscriptions. So, is Rocket Money free? The answer is yes and no. Rocket Money offers a free version of their service, but there is also a paid version. The free version of Rocket Money allows you to track your spending, set budgets, and find deals on insurance. You can also cancel unwanted subscriptions and get alerts when your bills are due. The paid version of Rocket Money, called Rocket Money Premium, offers a number of additional features, including prioritized support. If you have a problem, you'll get help from a real person faster. Personalized recommendations. Rocket Money will recommend products and services that are tailored to your specific needs. Weekly cashback. You'll earn up to $500 in cash back each month. Ad-free experience. You won't see any ads in the app. So, which version of Rocket Money is right for you? If you're just starting out with your personal finances, the free version of Rocket Money is a great option. It will give you the tools you need to get started tracking your spending and saving money. However, if you're looking for more features and personalized support, the paid version of Rocket Money may be worth the investment. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when deciding whether or not to sign up for Rocket Money. Your budget. If you're on a tight budget, you may want to stick with the free version. Your needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive personal finance app with all the bells and whistles, the paid version may be a better fit. Your goals. What are your financial goals? If you're looking to save money on your bills, find better deals on insurance, or cancel unwanted subscriptions, Rocket Money can help you achieve those goals. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to sign up for Rocket Money is up to you. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the different features and pricing options available. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, I encourage you to check out their website or download the app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. You can also find reviews of Rocket Money online. You can compare Rocket Money to other similar apps to see which one is the best fit for you. You can reach out to Rocket Money customer support if you have any questions or problems. Here are some additional questions you may have about Rocket Money. How does Rocket Money make money? Is Rocket Money safe to use? What are the pros and cons of using Rocket Money? I hope this script is helpful.